Good morning, my dear children. Take out your moral values book, means moral science book. Page number 9, chapter 3. We'll start a new chapter today, okay? Chapter 3. God is great. God is great. God has made this world. God has made this world. He made the earth and the sky. He made the land and the sea. He made the mountains and the valleys. He made the animals and the birds. God made the sun, the moon, and the stars. God made us and everything around us. God is indeed very great. So see, God has made this world. It is said that today in this chapter we are talking about God. God, He made this world. God made this world. He made the earth and the sky. He made the earth. Earth means the planet on which we live. Earth and the sky. Who made the earth and the sky? God made the earth and the sky. He made the land and the sea. He also made the land and the sea. Okay. He made the mountains and the valleys. And he also made the mountains and the valleys. Okay. He also made the mountains and the valleys. He made the animals and the birds. God made the animals and the birds also. God made the sun. Who made the sun? God made the sun, the moon, and the stars. God made all these things, sun, the moon, and the stars. God made us. God made us also, and everything around us. Means that whatever we see around us, all those things are made by God. God is indeed very great. So God is very, very great. He made this world. He made us. He made animals, birds, earth, sky, land, sea, mountains, valleys, the sun, the moon, the stars, and everything around us. Who made all the things? Who made all these things? God. God made all the things. Okay? God made everything around us. So that's why God is very great. Okay? God is very great. Now here you can see another lines. See? All things bright and beautiful. All things bright and beautiful. All creatures great and small. All creatures great and small. All things wise and wonderful. All things wise and wonderful. The great God made them all. The great God made them all. It is said that all the things are very bright and beautiful. Whatever we things around us, all things are bright and beautiful. And all the creatures, whether it is big or small, they all are also very wonderful. Okay? All things wise and wonderful means all are very wise and wonderful. The great God made them all. And who made all of them? The great God made them all. So it is said here in this line. Okay. So this chapter is completed. So I hope you understood the chapter. So today the notes I am giving you is to write these 4 lines in your moral science copy. Okay, you write these 4 lines. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the great God made them all. I'll send you the PDF of these notes. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you.